What's up, guys? It's your boy Akie checking in here with another video. So in this video, I want to show you how to do your spreadsheets and basically the reason why you want to have a spreadsheet uh, labeled and just structured this way. So basically, when you're doing wholesaling, when you're doing real estate investing, and you don't have a way to organize all your data, your leads, the people that you want to contact, you really are just doing things at random. You really want strategy. You want to be doing things methodically, just for the simple fact that you're able to track things. Ultimately, the deals come in the follow up. You're barely, almost never going to get a deal basically from contacting somebody the first time. If that does happen, then lucky you, but on average, the statistic is you need to contact someone 7 times before you actually are able to get a hold of somebody. So with that being said, you need to be able to have things labeled properly in your spreadsheets. You need to be able to have data to be accessed rather easily on a consistent basis, so that you can ultimately do what you want to do, which is get more deals or at least get your. So right here, this is pretty much what you're working with right here, a Google spreadsheet. I typically just, you would just label it right here. So if your name is John, you could just label it blah, blah, blah. Okay. But right here, you would just have different labels right here, and you put name, always put name first, preferably first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, phone number, email, if you do emails, things like that. The reason why you wouldn't put all of this in one row, or one cell rather, is just because when you're doing different things in terms of automation and marketing overall, Facebook only lets you do it this way. I know for a fact that Yellow Letter HQ only lets you input data this way. Whenever you're doing skip tracing, they only let you do it this way. So the main reason, and a lot of people won't tell you this before you getting all this data from Driving for Dollars, things like that. The reason why you want to set up your spreadsheets like this is because you're gonna have to go back. It's gonna be a time waster for you to already had put something in your spreadsheet and then have to go back and correct it. I've done that for literally thousands of leads, and it was no fun, because if you want to be able to send letters out on a consistent basis, you want to be able to skip trace on a consistent basis, you need to have the data input the right way so that these companies can actually get you the results in the quickest amount of time possible. Or even if you want them, they won't even take your data really if it's not input like this. And also it's just easier to read like this. So it's another reason why you want to input like this. So basically this is it's a pretty simple video, pretty basic video. This is how you want it set up 10 times out of 10. And yeah, so if you like the video, go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will talk to you in the next video.